Hi, everyone. Welcome to Data on the Move. This is Traylor with Komprise. And with me today, I have Randy Hopkins, who's our VP of Global Systems Engineering. Hey, Randy, how are you today?
I'm great. Thanks, Polly. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, wonderful to see you as always. Today, we're going to talk about cost savings and how we help our customers get cost savings quickly as well as long term. And if you don't know who we are, Komprise is a software as a service platform for unstructured data management and mobility. Great, Randy. Well, let's get right into it. Tell me a little bit about how we help customers save money and how that process works for you.
Yeah, good question. There's a lot of factors that can really impact the cost of owning that data. It's the volume of data, the age of it, the type, the classification, and where it'll be stored. So what Comprise can do once we get the platform up and running, we can help them tackle some of their growth strategy, their growth issues. For example, we see by using our analysis, we see that 50 to 75% of our customers' data they consider cold and stale, meaning it hasn't been touched in more than a year. We also see that they have they're doubling their data every 2 to 3 years. It's growing anywhere about 35 to 42% per year, so it's growing about every 2 or 3 years. So what they use Comprise for, and what we can help them do is take an analysis of that data, categorize that data, and tier it to different platforms, either smart tiering or regular tiering. They might want to use smart tiering to do things like selectively choose types of data and classifications of data. It might be medical records, might be log files, and then do different things with that. They might want to purge log files after 3 months of stale. They might want to take student data and delete that after a semester ends, or they might want to wait 6 or 7 years for x-rays and things like that and tier that into cold storage, if you will, for life cycle management. And they use Comprise to build plans around the types of data and the profile of data that they have. And once they set those plans up, it's a declarative approach. We will continue to prune the data, we'll continue to maintain it, all the while eliminating any type of application interruption, and we'll be transparent to their applications. And from a savings perspective, you're probably going to ask that, is that generally on about a petabyte of data, for example, we're going to reduce their spend by 30 to 50% on the first year, and then every year after that. So about $500,000 savings on a petabyte of data. Break even will be probably in the range of 7 months. Everything after that break even point, now everything else is going to be savings after that.
What about the other thing I was thinking about is being able to select a new storage. You might need to replace your NAS. Do we help also model those costs to help them decide which is the most cost-effective platform or even cloud storage to move to? Is that part of what customers benefit from too?
Yeah, we have this philosophy here. It comprises know before you go. Don't assume that if you have a lot of storage that you need to buy an additional storage platform to hold all of that. Take a look at your data first, profile it, and figure out how much data is hot. And then now you only need to buy enough capacity for that primary storage for your hot data, for example. And if you do reduce your hot data, your footprint by 50%, your storage budget moving forward will be 50% just for your hot data.
Great. So 50 to 70% savings, that's, I think, something that everybody can use right now for sure. Well, Randy, it was really great to speak with you. I love seeing you. And if you'd like to learn more about Komprise, please visit our website at komprise.com and follow us on LinkedIn. Have a great day. Thanks.
Thank you.